Part of my goal set was to revisit and rejuvenate, and I found that 99% of everything we covered were things that I was working on in my journey right now. So the timing was perfect, the content was perfect.
It's really hard to explain what your expectations are coming in, and it's even harder to explain what you get coming out of it because it's so magical. It's more than you would ever imagine on just finding yourself again and relating to that young child that you are and you can be, and just trying to be a little more less worrisome and just really finding yourself. It's a great time. You really get a chance to reflect and be in your head and make progress.
I really had no idea what to expect when I signed up for this, but I knew I needed a reset. I needed to pause, and that's exactly what I got out of the last 2.5 days, is just connecting with other women, taking time out from my life at home to really reflect on what's important to me, who's important to me, what brings me joy, and it was just an amazing reset.
I would describe it as almost like a reconnection, like with yourself retreat. I thought I came here for business, and then it was not about that at all. It was more about just kind of reconnecting with me and what is important to me in my life. I actually already told 3 girlfriends at home that they need to come to the next one.
You can definitely relate everything that you learned, both business and personal, but I took it more on a personal level, and the changes that I have always known that I wanted to make, that I just feel more comfortable in myself to make those changes.